Is Philips TV worth buying? Yes, Philips TVs are worth buying, especially if you value picture quality, unique features like Ambilight, and good value for money. While they may not always have the brand recognition or advanced features of top-tier brands like Samsung or LG, Philips delivers solid performance at competitive prices. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly model or a premium TV with OLED and Ambilight, Philips provides a satisfying viewing experience with impressive visuals, smart features, and a unique immersive experience. Picture quality. Philips offers excellent picture quality, particularly in its OLED models, which deliver deep blacks, vibrant colors, and superior contrast. Their 4K LED models also provide great resolution and color accuracy, while brands like Samsung might offer slightly more advanced technologies like QLED. Philips still provides strong overall performance that competes well in the same price ranges. Ambilight Technology. One of the standout features of Philips TVs is Ambilight, which projects dynamic light onto the surrounding walls to enhance the viewing experience. This lighting effect creates a more immersive atmosphere, especially when watching movies, gaming, or high-definition content. Ambilight adds a unique, visually engaging element that many other brands don't offer, making it a key factor for users who enjoy a more cinematic experience at home. Smart features and usability. Philips Smart TVs come with SAFI, simple and user-friendly, or Android TV, more feature-rich and versatile. Android TV provides access to the Google Play Store, Google Assistant, and a broad selection of apps, while SAFI is more streamlined, offering essential streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. For users who want a straightforward smart TV, SAFI works well, but Android TV offers a more robust smart platform, ideal for those who desire more customization and integration with Google services. Philips TVs are definitely worth buying if you're looking for a good blend of quality, affordability, and unique features like Ambilight. They offer excellent picture quality, solid smart TV functionality, and a great user experience, especially in the OLED and Ambilight models. While they may not have all the advanced features of other premium brands, they offer great value, making them an appealing option for a wide range of buyers. If you enjoy an immersive viewing experience and want to save on cost, Philips is a solid choice.